Hose reels. Everything you need to know: advantages, construction, application and types. My name is Michał and I would like to invite you to explore this topic. Have you ever tripped over an object lying loosely on the floor? In the workplace, such situations are particularly hazardous, and loose hoses are a common cause of accidents. Hose reels effectively solve this problem by enhancing work safety, increasing work efficiency, improving work environment, reducing hose wear, ensuring better sealing and control over medium flow, minimizing leakage of fluids and gases. Let's now take a close look at the construction of a spring-driven hose reel, using a hose reel intended for water and air as an example. The guide arm has 5 mounting positions, allowing the reel to be installed in any convenient position. Its compact design makes it suitable for production halls, workshop and mobile application. Now that we know the benefits of using hose reel and understand their construction, it's time to choose the right reel for us. What should we consider? What factors are important? It is necessary to determine the type of medium the reel will handle. For example, aviation fuel requires a flow path made of stainless steel or aluminum. Operating pressure. The maximum value determines the mechanical strength requirements of the reel. Internal and external operating temperature. For steam reels, it is necessary to use sealing materials resistant to high temperature. Remember one important rule: if the maximum pressure of the reel in a set is 35 bar and the hose is rated for 20 bar, the maximum pressure of the entire system is always equal to the lower value, which is 20 bar. The same principle applies to temperature. Additionally, pay attention to hose length, hose type. Not every hose is suitable for winding on a reel. Hose with an external steel braid may be damaged due to friction and pressure between the coils. Internal diameter of the wound hose, which affects the selection of the swivel joint. External diameter, which determines the size of the reel. Bending radius of the hose, which must be at most half the diameter of the reel spool to prevent hose skimping. Type of reel drive mechanism. This topic will be covered in more details later in the video. Mounting method and mounting location. Floor, wall or ceiling. Material of the reel. The most commonly used material is carbon steel. It performs well under standard operating conditions and, thanks to its powder-coated finish, offers high durability while reducing the hose reel's susceptibility to corrosion and mechanical damage. In challenging and aggressive working conditions such as the pharmaceutical or food industry, stainless steel proves to be an indispensable solution. Its exceptional chemical resistance ensuring long-term reliability and safety of use, even in demanding hygienic applications. Plastic also offers corrosion resistance, but their mechanical strength is generally lower than that of steel. However, they are significantly lighter, often more cost-effective to produce, and UV resistance, making them suitable for applications such as gardening. Our range of plastic hose reel is available in the major version as well as the compact version, which is ideal for spaces like service vehicle or workbenches where compact dimensions are crucial. Hybrid solutions combining various materials are also available. The combination allows for use in specific dedicated conditions, such as when reducing the overall weight of the assembly is required. We ensure the selection of appropriate seals for each hose reel. For example, NBR rubber seals are suitable for oils and greases, while Vitron rubber seals prove resistance to aggressive chemical substances. At Tubes International, we offer a wide range of hose reels to meet various industrial needs. Spring-driven reels. The hose is mainly pulled to unwind to the required length and blocked by a ratchet mechanism. When the pulse is released with a pull, the spring automatically rewinds the hose onto a spool of the hose reel. Thanks to independence from external power source, they are widely used in workshop and industrial facilities, primarily for relatively lightweight and short hoses. Tubes International offers spring-driven reels both, with factory-installed hoses and without hoses. For the latter, customers can order a suitable hose along with fittings and accessories, such as spray guns, nozzles, etc. Our range also includes spring-driven reels designed for installation on booms, cranes, construction machinery arms, forklifts, and lifting equipment. Mainly driven reels. Compared to mechanically driven models, they are more cost-effective to operate. The hose is unwound and rewound mainly using a crank connection to the reel spool. They are an ideal solution in locations without access to power infrastructure. Their simple construction minimizes the risk of malfunction, ensuring long service life and hassle-free operation. Mechanically driven reels. The hose is unwound and rewound automatically using a motor powered by pneumatic, hydraulic, or electric drive. Here we highlight the Nordic series as an example. It's worth mentioning additional options available for this series, such as single wrap hose winding, split spools for multiple hoses, automatic hose layering. These reels are designed to handle longer and heavier hoses with larger diameters, up to 4 inches, which would be impossible to rewind manually. They are an ideal choice for industrial application and help increase productivity by saving time. They are widely used in offshore industry, steel mills, and airports. Our offer also includes specialized hose reels, such as reels mounted on drilling platforms for offshore application, hose reels with single wrap hose layering system, military reels, and grounding cable reels, intended to secure against electrostatic discharge. Available also in an ATEX version, suitable for operation in explosion hazard zone. We are open to non-standard customers' needs and can design a solution tailored to their specific requirements. For hose reel users, we have also prepared practical accessories such as hose reels trolleys for convenient transport of the reel between workstations, reel bumpers, hose hangers, rewinding brakes, rollers guides enabling even hose winning without the risk of tangling. That's all for today. Thanks for your watching, and we invite you to explore another video on our channel.